another Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to use Scratch 1.4. I know Scratch 2.0 has came out, but 1.4 is way easier and is more stable to use. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a simple game, a great animation, or a super great animation if you take the time, and you will know what all of this random stuff means. Now, when you first open Scratch, they will come out with this little sprite thingy called Sprite 1. It's a cat. Then they'll come with two costumes and the sound. Sounds fun, right? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to put a when flag click. This will start the game, or the thing, I should say, whatever you call it, the animation. When you click this, whatever under this tab will work. Okay, so let's explore the basics first. Motion is the movement. You can move 10 steps towards the direction the sprite is facing, turn how many degrees, point in which direction, 90 is right, there's right, left, up, down. You can also set your own ones, like just by clicking and set it to a random number. Well, I don't think there's a real number, but just set it to 7 for now. You can also point towards mouse pointer for now, but as we go along, you'll create more sprites and you can point towards other sprites as well. Glide 1 second to something to make the cat go to somewhere slowly. For example, let's choose a random number first. Oh, that's too much, I guess. 75 and 97. Oops. Okay, wait, like that. Then you can choose how long it takes to go there. Let's say 5 seconds. No, 3 seconds. That would be good. Then when I click the green flag, it will do this. Let's see. Whee! After 3 seconds, you should stop at the exact point. 74, 87. Great. Okay, let's drag it back for now. Then there's change X by something. If you change X by something, as you see, X is moved to the side, Y is moved top and bottom. So if you change X by, let's say 100, so you can see it more clearly. Let's go back to the middle. Change X by 100, it will move to the side. Changing Y is the same, but it will just move up and down. If you want to move it to the other side, you can actually put minus 10 or minus something, so it will move the other way. If our edge bounce is when the sprite is moving to somewhere, for example here, if he touches the edge, he'll bounce back if you put this. X position, Y position, and direction are just useless stuff. They will be useful later on when we discover variables and operators and maybe controls, but not for now. Controls. So first we have the when green flag click is over here. Then we have a when something click. This is useful for those games that you want like the cat to move up, down, left, right using the arrow keys. You can actually put up arrow, down arrow and stuff. Maybe you can put space to jump. Oh my god. When sprite 1 clicks. So when you click the cat, it will do whatever that's under this tab. Wait 1 second, just to wait. So you can put this inside your code so that after you do the top part, you wait 1 second, or whatever second you put, and then do the bottom part. Forever is to forever repeat something. Let's say when the thing clicked, make the cat forever move 1 step. Let's try it out. Yay, it works, but the cat is going really fast. What if you want to make the cat slower and you want to stop it? You click stop everything. Then everything stops, so the cat won't continue to run off the screen. But if you want to make it slower, you can actually wait 1 second. I guess that's really slow. What about let's put 0.01 seconds. Then when we click the green flag, the cat should go smoothly over. No, the furthest number you can do until is 0.01 seconds. If you put more than 2 decimal places, it won't function properly. It will just go at 0.01 seconds. It's the slowest you can, it's the fastest you can go. Broadcast. Broadcast is to tell all the other sprites to do something. For example, your cat just reached the end of the level. You might want to broadcast ending level. Then, if another sprite use this, when I receive ending level. So when this cat says broadcast ending level, then the other sprite, when it receives ending level, it will do something. So this will help those games that you need a lot of stuff, a lot of sprites doing all the same thing to synchronize them. Forever if. For example, you want your cat to continue moving unless it's touching the wall, whatever wall you're making. Then you can do forever if cat is not touching the wall, move forward 10 steps. Or something like that, If. If is like, if the cat is touching the wall, stop. So you can put if sprite 1 is touching the wall or something, then you can put stop or stop script, which is right here, then the cat will stop moving. If and if else work the same way as if, except for that if this is false, then you do else. For example, if cat is not fat, if cat is fat, do exercise, else eat more, or something like that, Or you can put wait until. For example, when you want the cat to wait there until somebody says, maybe until something touches it, and then wait until this. Then when somebody touches it, you can do something else. You put an amount of things, you put amount of time over here, so the cat can wait until that thing happens. Repeat until is almost the same as wait until, but you continuously do it until that time. Stop script is to stop everything the cat is doing. Every single thing. Stop all is the same as pressing this red button. It does the same thing. Okay, let's go to looks. Do you remember that when we went here, we saw that there's 2 costumes? And now it looks like the cat is running. So if you can do next costume, or switch to costume 2, the cat will change to this costume. But if you choose next costume, the cat will choose whatever costume that is next. Whatever costume that is. For example, now it's running, now it's not. This is like which costume it was on. Then you can also make the cat say hello or something, whatever. Maybe let's make it say subscribe for 2 seconds. Then the cat will say subscribe for 2 seconds, then it stops. I know I spelled it wrongly. This one say something to say it forever until you make it say something else. Think something like this. Think look like lick. Think I should subscribe. Then it looks like this. This is bubble and it goes like that. This one is the same as this, but it's just the same shape and stuff as this one. You can also change color effect. That's very nice. You see, when you change, it becomes a rainbow cat. Change color effect like that. Whee! Then you can also set color effect to what? Set color effect to 0 is the original one. That's what set color effect means. Then also clear graphics effects. That means clear all these set color effects and stuff. For example, let's do this here. You see, it doesn't work because it didn't change the color and change it back because it was too fast. I think we need to put a wait 0.01 second to see the changes. Don't forget about that 0.01 second. Okay, so you can see it works a lot. Then next you can also change size. Change size by 10. Change size by 100. Make it super tiny. Or mean super big. If you change size by minus 100, you'll make it small. If you change size by minus 100 again, it's almost nothing. You can also set size to how many percent. If you set size to 100%, the cat will go back to the original. If you set size to say 1000%, the cat will be 10 times as big. OMG. Let's change the size back first. Then you can also make it hide, show or hide. Let's say make the cat hide for maybe 1 second. Then we can make it show again. When the cat hide, whatever script, if you click on it, nothing will happen, even if you have a when sprite 1 click on. So when you hide, it acts like the sprite stop like it just completely stop for a while, nothing will happen. You can also go to the front or go back. For example, if you have a sprite overlapping him, if you go to the front, it will go in front of the sprite instead of behind it. You can also go back. Then this is sensing. You can say ask. How are you? Then after that, we can make it say something, I guess. We can make it say your answer for 2 seconds. So when you say, how are you? Let's say, we are a cat. Then you can click OK, but you can click this OK button, or you can just hit enter. Then they'll repeat whatever you say. Touching something, touching color something, or color something is a part of this part. It's a part of forever if. You see this weird 6-sided figure? The 6-sided figures fit in the 6-sided figures. Oops, not here. This kind of stuff. They fit together. So don't try to make it like do wrong stuff. Mouse Y, mouse X and mouse Y, the stuff to tell you where the mouse is at. Mouse down is also like one of this kind of stuff to test if it's true or not. Space key press is space press is also the same. Just that you can actually change which key is pressed or not. Distance to, this is how far away the cat is from the mouse, from whatever you set it to. For example, if we set it to mouse pointer, then we make it say distance to mouse pointer. Then we can know actually how far the cat away is from the mouse pointer. Okay, that's how far away the cat was. Then after that, there's also reset timer. Then you can actually display the timer on screen by clicking this button. You can also display the answer of everything. Okay, let's say this. When I click this, you reset the timer and start counting. Then there is, this is the position of something. There's a lot of stuff. It's like kind of like this mouse is a number, so that's how it was. Loudness is also a number. Loud or not loud is one of these 6-sided things that you put into those if operators. Then there's also slider. You can actually put a slider. You can put like a lot of random stuff. Then you can have a sensor, button pressed, or something connected. It's like that. This kind of stuff works with the if operators as well. Sound. This is easy, right? Play sound meow. That's how it works. Let's drag this away. Then play sound meow until done. Just play sound meow until it's complete, which is quite easy. You can also stop all sounds. Then you can play sound meow immediately stop all sounds. It won't come out anything because it's immediate. But if you put one of those wait a few seconds, it will meow but then stop halfway. You can also play drum. You can choose, there's so many types of drums. I feel like singing the coconut song. There's so many types of drums. You can actually experiment out, and maybe when you're more advanced, you can actually make a band or something. That would be awesome. Then you can also rest for some while. Kind of like wait a few seconds, but this is for like music. Then you can also play note. You can actually make piano with this. It's very awesome. Do. Then you can make it play another sound. Re. Mi. Then you play that sound. Yay, nice, right? Then you can also set what kind of instrument you want. Whoa, that's a lot. Let's try this. Then you can set the instrument to that, then play a note. Listen. It sounds like electrical guitar, right? Then you can change the volume, set the volume to how many percent. This works the same way as the looks. Okay, then you can also change the tempo, how fast it goes. Then here comes the operators. This is the tricky part. So first you can put, in this basic number stuff, you can actually put like 1 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1. Like you can make the cat say 1 plus 1. Then they will say the answer of 1 plus 1. This is minus. This star sign over here is multiply, and the slash sign is divide. This one allows you to pick random number from any number you like to any other number you like. This one compares the numbers. If this one is also goes with the if ones. If 1 is lesser than 2, then you can do something. But this doesn't work if you put in usually you ask for a answer, then you put the answer inside. This one is if both of this, like for example, if that is smaller than that and this equals this, then you'll do something. This or like either this or if this or this both work, then you do something. This is not. If this is not equals that, then you do something. This one is the funny part. Okay, for example, you want to make the cat ask you, what is your name? And then you want the cat to say hello, comma, then the answer from here. But for some reason you can only say the answer. You don't know how to put the answer then something else. This is where the join comes in. You join the first part of the question to the first part of the sentence to the second part. For example, you say hi, comma, answer. Okay, let's test this out. Let's go. What's your name? How's that? That's how it works. Even though it might look a bit weird, which means you need to put a space somewhere. That's how it works. And then this one you can also say letter something of something. Length of something. Like how long is the word and choose a letter of the word to say it. This is round. You can round something off like a number. You can round square root of 10 or round square root of pick random 1 to 5 or something like that. Then after that there's pen. This is funny. First you can say pen down. It's like get ready to write. It's like you put the pen on the paper. Then after that you can change the pen color or the shade or the size. Then you can make the cat move. Let's make the cat move to go to this place, wherever it is. Let's just go to here and let's go to -209 or something. Then let's do it. You'll go to that side with the pen down. Then you'll start to draw a line. Then if you put clear, it will erase whatever that it was. Setting pen color to this. Actually, like you can choose whatever color you like. Let's go with black for now, I guess. Okay, let's go. Now you drew a black line. You can change pen color by 10. You can actually make a rainbow pen, and then you can just continuously do this. Then make a rainbow pen. Then you can also change the shape. Set the color to, this is like the number kind of stuff. You can also change the pen shape by 10. Let's try it out. Yeah, that's a shade. Okay, let's try it again. This will change a lot by now. Yeah, it's just the pen shade, how deep it is. I think this only works with like non-black colors. Oh yeah, you need to set the pen color first before that. You don't need to set a pen color if you continuously use change pen shade, I think. Click this, you should do it. Okay, after is you can also set it, change pen size also. Then you can just continuously test out and make the pen thicker and even thicker. And if you do it like 1,000 million times, or you could change the pen size by 100. Get ready for a super thick line. Boom! There you go. Next also stamp. Stamp is the weirdest one. Okay, clear. Wait a second. Stamp, just make a copy of the cat where it was, you see? And I can stamp again. Like that. Okay, here comes the most complicated part, variables. Variables are basically jars which you keep your stuff inside. Okay, for example, imagine a jar here, like this. Okay, you know what? Let me just draw on the stage. Okay, imagine there was a jar. No, that's not a jar. Imagine there was a jar. Okay? Wait, let me do something first. This will be 1 little coin. Imagine it was a jar. A variable is a jar. And then you have 5 little coins inside. Then the variable will be 5. But let's say what if the user says they want the variable to be 10 instead? Oh no, I think I did something wrong. You know what, let's just erase everything and redo. Okay, this is a jar. This is one thing. Then you ask the user, how many cookies do you want? I will put them in the jar and you can take the jar home. Then they say, I want 5 cookies. Then you don't know how to store the cookies. So then you ask them, then the variable is the jar. You put the cookies at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By set variables, the name of the jar to answer. Then you click. Then after you're done, you give the jar to him. Then he say thank you. Then the next one comes. Then you can put variable. Then you set the variable name to customer 2. Then ask him how many jars they want. Okay, first let's see. Person wants cookies. So when they say, okay, let's do when this click, ask how many cookies do you want? How many cookies do you want? Question mark. Then set person wants cookies to answer. Then we can say, wait a second, let me grab some drawings. I think we need 2. Then we say, I think we can just say, right? And then we can ask you know what, let's just put join, you have answer cookies. Let's try it out. How many cookies do you want? Oops, I spelled it wrong. Never mind. 6. You have 6 cookies. That's how you use the set. That's how you use the variables. You can also change it by something. Show variable or hide it. Let's say we make it show, then we wait 1 second, then we hide it. Go. Okay, then you hide it. Oops. Never mind. Okay, so when the cat goes, when you show the variable, you can actually drag it around and put it anywhere you want. You can also put it on the cat's head if you really want. Then you just show. Okay, so we're done with the basic stuff, right? We certainly are. We're done with basic stuff. All you need to do is to combine those random stuffs together. Then you're ready to make a game. Let's try to make one right now. What about we made the cat walk across the stage until here? That would be interesting. Let's make him pen up first. And clear the stage. Okay. So now the cat will no longer draw. What about we must when this click forever, change the next costume, I guess. Let's see how it looks like. That's running way too fast, right? So I think we need to put it, wait a few seconds. 0.01 should work perfectly fine. Let's go. Is the cat running a bit too fast? What about 0.05 is that? That's a bit more normal speed. Now you say, wait, I can't put him move over. If not, he can move forward and he change. So at those times we need 2. Then for this one, we can forever move forward 1 step. And wait 0.01 seconds. 0. seconds. Let's go. Our little cat is running. Now it's gonna run all the way to reach here. Then what? Let's help it by dragging it towards the end. Then it's gonna run on the stage, which is not really what we wanted. What about, let's put it if on edge bounce. Then the cat will bounce all over the place. Oh no, the cat is bouncing around. But the cat is walking upside down. Should we do something about it? I don't really think we should. Let's make it the cat move faster. What about 10 steps? Bouncy cat! The cat just gonna bounce around and walk like that. Great, cat! Now we can actually make the cat say something if you want. What about when this clicked? Then we can make it wait random seconds and say random stuff. That'd be interesting. Wait random 1 to 5 seconds. Then say what do we say? What should we say? Say square root of fake random or minus, let's do something weird. Shall we? Minus 100 to 200 for 2 seconds. Then we need to make it go forever, if not it will only go once. So let's put a forever loop around there. Let's go. Then we wait. How many seconds will we go? Okay, he just said a random number. 1, 2, 3. Why is it red? Oh, it waits. Then it waits. I think there's something wrong. I think it failed because you couldn't do a square root of a minus number. So let's just go from 1 to 100 to prevent that weird red color. Okay, is it another color? 1, 2, 3. They chose 3 seconds. 1, 2. Okay, that's 1 second. So it's really cool how you can choose random things. So now you have learned what all the stuff do. Maybe we should make like a small drum. I know what to do. I know exactly what to do. I'm gonna pause the video for a second. Then when I'm done, I'm gonna show you something super awesome, alright? Wait there just for like a bit. Hey, I'm back now. You see, I just made a new song. Listen to this. It's awesome. Isn't it awesome? If some of you guys watch my old videos, you might remember this is my old song. Okay, I changed the tempo for a bit. Let's try it again. What happened? Okay, if you notice here, I have this little square thingy, not really square. This thing is called a command. If you right click, you can actually click add command. Then you can say, then you can actually like just note yourself where is where. Like for example, I put here bar 1, so it's easier to see like where do I start which part. Maybe I can put here start song. Then I can drag this thing to here. And take note, you can only have one command on every bar, every script. You can also save picture of scripts. Then you can save it into desktop, I guess. Let's call it Melody Tongyu intro song. And when you click OK, you're done. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. And as this cat said, subscribe to me if you can. And also drop a like down below if you want to. I mean, if you must. Oh well. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want, go watch all of my other videos. Soon I'll be making another video for Scratch, like Scratch tips and tricks. I already collected a lot of tips and tricks from all over the place, like all over the place. Then, so yeah, thanks for watching this video and have a nice day ahead. Bye.